social media. Interactive media technologies that facilitate the creation and sharing of information, ideas, interests, and other forms of expression through virtual communities and networks. Memorializing or removing user's account. Let us quickly head over to Facebook. On your account, open Help and Support, followed by Help Center tab. Go to Managing your account, scroll down to Deactivating or Deleting your account. Now open Can I remove the account of a friend or family who is medically incapacitated? Then Deceased user. Request the removal. You will be required to fill in a form and attach the required documentation. Then send. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Expect further communications through emails. Feature-enabled platforms. Here is a number of social networking sites you can memorialize or delete accounts on behalf of a friend or family member.